Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, a free online tool that lets you chat with an AI assistant. ChatGPT is powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 technology, which is one of the most advanced natural language processing models in the world. With ChatGPT, you can have fun and engaging conversations with an AI assistant that can understand and communicate fluently in different languages, topics, and styles. You can also use ChatGPT to generate content such as poems, stories, code, essays, songs, and more. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get started and see how it works. To use ChatGPT, you need to go to their website chatgpt.com. You will see a simple interface with a chat box on the left and a menu on the right. The menu allows you to choose different settings and options for your chat session. You can choose the language of the AI assistant, such as English, Zhongwen, Ribenyu, Espanol, Francais or Deutsch. You can also choose the mode of the AI assistant, such as balanced, creative or precise. The balanced mode is the default mode that gives you a balanced mix of information and entertainment. The creative mode is for when you want to generate creative content or have more fun and playful conversations. The precise mode is for when you want to get more accurate and factual information or have more serious and logical conversations. To start chatting with the AI assistant, you need to type a message in the chat box and press enter. The AI assistant will reply to you in a few seconds. You can continue the conversation by typing more messages or asking questions. You can also use commands to tell the AI assistant what you want it to do. For example, you can use #GenerateContent to ask the AI assistant to generate content for you. You can specify what kind of content you want, such as a poem, a story, a code snippet, an essay, a song, or anything else you can think of. The AI assistant will try to create the content for you based on your request and context. You can also use #search_query to ask the AI assistant to search the web for information related to your message. The AI assistant will perform web searches and provide you with relevant results and facts. You can use this command to learn more about any topic or question you have. If you want to end the conversation with the AI assistant, you can use #endconversation. The AI assistant will stop replying and thank you for chatting with it. You can also end the conversation by closing the browser tab or window. So that's how you use ChatGPT, a free online tool that lets you chat with an AI assistant powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 technology. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to try ChatGPT for yourself, just go to chatgpt.com and have fun chatting with an AI assistant. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.